Boop.
No, no. Yeah, that's right. No, no. There's a piece missing, Daniel. Good job. I think that's part of his hat. It's Woody's hat. Yeah, it goes up there. Can you reach? Good job. Where is it?
Missing a piece?
Yes.
Oh, after all that.
There's a piece missing, Daniel. Where is it? Here it is.
Yay. Good job.
Yay! All done.
Looky, it's the same. See?
Same.
Same. Yeah, it's the same. Wow, you guys did good.
Sorry, Dad. We did your puzzle.
What sound does the frog make?
What does the frog say, Daniel? Oh, that was close.
Yeah.
What does the frog say? Yeah? You do more? More frog?